My name's Rob Gervais. I live in Haliburton. I live here with my wife and 3 children. Having an interest-free loan was going to save us quite a bit of money. We could borrow up to $40,000. We're covering about 75% of what we're using. But at this stage of the game, it's been fantastic. Solar's been great. Our original thought was we'll get a heat pump. And with the Greener Homes loan in Canada, there were incentives available. We had that to help us out, and also the loan itself at 0% interest. It would produce the power that we needed to not only run the heat pump, but run everything in the house. The grid is going to be stressed. We didn't want to get into massive increases in rates because they're going to have to improve their infrastructure to keep up with the demands. So solar panels kind of made sense as a means of producing our own and not having to rely as much on the grid itself. Certainly the Greener Homes loan, that was a big one. So very smooth. So it was 3 days. And so that was done fairly smoothly. So one of the things I'd suggest people do is remember you can turn the panels on the side. So if it doesn't fit in one configuration, panels are not square, they're rectangular. And again, as we project prices to go up, that savings all of a sudden becomes more significant. Being able to produce our own and do it cleanly with as little environmental impact as possible is actually quite a good deal. The Greener Homes loan is a great thing. It does take a little bit of time, so you do have to be patient. There are a number of steps that you have to go through. One of them is you have to have an appraisal of your home. They do an energy audit on your home. A company comes in and does that, so they tell you where some inefficiencies are and where and what you could do to clean them up. Then you send all of your information in via a website, and they take the couple weeks. They said it usually takes around 14 days. Ours went much quicker than that. I dealt with 3 different levels of solar. So that's the salesperson being very patient with me and making sure that I got quotes from 3 or 4 different companies and then coming back. He was fantastic. So any questions I had, he was always there and answered fairly quickly. And then Vlad and his crew, that put it up, they've been great as well. It's been a wonderful experience. The solar's been fantastic.